Welcome back to Giveaway CPA, and in this video we're going to be discussing a very basic sense for what we're talking about in CPA marketing. Now, in short, CPA marketing is called cost per action marketing. And in cost per action marketing, there is a network or a company that acts on behalf of a larger company or many companies, and that network's job is to generate leads for its customers. So in other words, a company will hire a CPA network to generate leads for them. And then that network recruits individual marketers like you to help them to generate leads. So the marketer does all of the promotion, the marketer does the blogging, the marketer does the pay-per-click, the marketer does all of the associated attraction-oriented features in order to get people into a marketing funnel. And the marketer generates these leads on behalf of what's called the CPA network. Now, if you want to see a number of different CPA networks and the kind of offers that they have available, you can check them out at a website called offervault.com. And a brief visit to offervault.com will give you as much of an orientation as you probably need. If you just scroll through, even before you really take a look at offervault.com, you're going to see right on the front page, you're going to see an offer name, you're going to see the payout, you're going to see a network, and you're going to see when it was last posted. And for the most part, as a marketer, you're going to be looking for different offers that fit your particular niche, and you're going to put those offers in front of the people that you are able to generate inside of a marketing funnel. And then they will then become the lead of not only the CPA network, but then also the CPA network's company that is trying to generate the lead. And you'll see that some are oriented toward mobile, some are more oriented toward pay-per-call, some are oriented just toward email. And so as many ways as there are to generate traffic and find people, there are CPA networks and offers available for those who want to do business in that way. Now, leads always have associated with them different rules according to different networks. And so every network is going to be different. Every offer is going to be a little different depending on how they want the lead to come in. Your job as a marketer is to use those limits or to use those methods in order to bring the lead in, because the company generating lead knows how they want to use it in order to build their business. So you really do have to follow the specific guidelines. If it's a mobile offer, you use that way. If it's an email offer, you must use that way. And so you'll find those inside of OfferVault. Now, in many cases, you can be part of multiple networks if you choose to generate leads in multiple niches. Now, as we get into the network we're going to be talking about in Giveaway CPA, it's special because it really does follow all of the traditional ways in which we know how to generate traffic as internet marketers. It follows email marketing, it follows blogging, it follows driving traffic through pay-per-click and driving traffic through social media. So you won't have to know lots of different methods. You will be able to use those methods that you have traditionally learned and known with Giveaway CPA. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.